are not seeing that now.
Now, storms are weakening, moving out. Matter of fact, the severe threat quickly coming to an end. Matter of fact, far eastern parts of Greene County seeing some storms, but the overall severe threat has quickly diminished. The severe thunderstorm watch, as I'll show you in a moment, in place until 11 p.m. That's already been canceled early for some other counties. So here's what we're seeing right now. We do have rain falling from Oak Ridge to Knoxville here in the valley. You know, not a lot of storm activity in Knoxville proper. It was to the north, it was back on the plateau, and it was certainly to our south, and quite a few hail reports across many areas today from this afternoon into this evening. And we have a weather impact alert technically in place till 11 p.m., but quickly things improving as we speak. So here's what we're seeing right now as far as current conditions. Some rain falling in Knoxville, 66 degrees. Winds are light, have high humidity, 87%. Still kind of a muggy evening. Boy, some of those downpours were impressive on the plateau and to the mountainous areas. We'll talk more about some flooding issues and reports that were earlier reported in a moment on Radar Update. Here's a look at a watch, severe thunderstorm watch for eastern areas until 11 p.m. But again, this is quickly diminishing. As you can see on radar right now, look at the thunderstorm activity. This is the past 3 hours. It's quickly, number one, lessening, weakening, and number two is shifting into North Carolina. Still a few of those storms in Greenville, so pretty much this is likely going to be canceled early as well as the other counties. So we're pretty much done with that severe weather. Now, there's some residual high water. I mentioned some of the flooding issues along the spine of the Appalachians from Tennessee into North Carolina, a lot of heavy rain. So some of those mountain creeks and streams and even rivers will continue to run at high levels even once it stops raining. So if you live in a flood-prone area, continue to monitor those floodwaters, because when you get in steep elevated terrain, that runoff can be rapid, and it still can take a while to fill up those streams and creeks and rivers. Have some moderate rain north of Knoxville, northern Knox County to Union County, and there's a flood advisory for Cumberland County. The earlier flash flood warning for Bledsoe and Ray County has just expired, actually. But look at the rainfall estimated by radar, over 4.5 inches. This is southern Cumberland, northern Bledsoe. Reports of some roads washed out and flooded in north of Pikeville